If you are looking for one affordable palette that is everything contour, setting powder, blush, highlighter, eyeshadow, even glitter, then this Miss Rose palette is it. Hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to iFast Journal. In today's video, I am going to show you the most affordable Miss Rose palette which I bought it on sale from their online store for 1500 rupees, and its original price is almost 2300 rupees, and this is the most affordable palette existing in Pakistan right now. If you want to save your money, and if you are thinking to buy makeup products but you don't know what to buy and you don't want to spend too much money on separate things, so this is the right option for you to buy this Miss Rose palette. It has 16 colors, 8 for blush, 4 for highlighters and 4 for bronzer. So first let me show you these 4 highlighter shades, and you can use them as highlighter, as shimmers, or even as glitter on the eyes. The colors are very subtle and smooth, and no, these are not liquid. These are pressed powder highlighters, but the quality is really good. So instead of buying multiple highlighters separately, this one palette works for everything. The glitters are beautiful too. You can mix them in for extra shine. Honestly, these highlighters are amazing. You can't go wrong with them. So now I am going to give you the swatches of all the shades, highlighter shades on my hand, so you can see the actual colors. As you can see, the pigmentation is really good for the price, and the highlighters and the glitters have a smooth shimmer without being chunky. Now move to the contouring section. So this section has like 3 to 4 contouring shades that are perfect for defining your cheekbones and jawlines. They are not too orange or too grey. They are a good neutral brown that works for most skin tones. You can also use the lighter contour shades for light sculpturing under the eyes. So this one shade is here. I am using it as a compact powder. It sets makeup really well and gives a smooth matte finish. This color is neutral enough that it doesn't look cakey or ashy on the skin. So yes, you can use this as your setting powder too. So I can give you the swatches for you. As you can see how good these colors are, the pigmentation is honestly really good, and the contours are matte. Also they are really soft and they give you a really smooth finish without being chunky. And here the most important tip I want to give you: the brown shades in this palette are a totally multitasker. I use them for brown shades to fill in my eyebrows, and that means you don't need to buy an extra eyebrow pencil separately. And the dark brown shades, I use this as a eyeliner to create a wing. Brown eyeliner looks way more natural and classy compared to black, which can sometimes look too harsh. I also use this for the lower lash line. You can know the trend where you draw a thin line under the eyes after makeup. So this shade is perfect for that. So you can skip the black liner and go for brown instead. I even show you the brushes which I use to make my eyeliner and brows fill. Alright, now let's move to the blush section of this Miss Rose 16 color palette. This part has around 8 blush shades, and also have done proper swatches of all of them so you can see the real color payoff on a skin. So first we have this baby soft pink with a subtle shimmer. It's very light and gives you that fresh healthy glow. Then there are few more lighter shades here and more brighter than this shade, so they are really wearable for everyday use. The pigmentation is actually really good. It's not overpowering, it's buildable. So if you want just a light tint for office, college or university, one light swipe is enough. And if you want more color for the evening look, you can lay it up without it looking patchy. Now here the best part about these blushes shades, they are multi-use. So you can use them as a blush on your cheeks obviously, but you can also use the lighter shimmer tones as an eyeshadow for a soft matching eye look. It blends out super smoothly and doesn't look chalky at all. So another thing, these light blushes and every blush color can also be used as your eyeshadow. So if you don't like strong blinding shadows that just want a soft glow on your eyes, so these are the perfect. So they catch the light nicely without making your skin look oily. Sits really well on the skin and blends out easily with either a brush or even your fingers if you are in a hurry. So their texture is so smooth and creamy, not dry or powdery. Also they are the powder color, but their texture is so matte. So overall, the blush section alone makes this palette worth it, especially if you want subtle wearable shade that you can use in multiple ways. That's everything on the blush shades. Let me know in the comments which color was your favorite. So that's my review. Let me know in the comment if you have tried this palette or want me to create a full look using just this. Like and subscribe for more affordable makeup reviews. See you next time. Bye bye.